are we?
At McDonald's.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Okay, go play.
He freaked me out.
Who do we have here? Who do we have here? Anna, who do we have here? Who's this? Give him a kiss.
Jack can't do that. There's no chairs.
Where are you going?
And the TNA.
Why don't you go up this part? Go right there. I want to see. No, you gotta leave your socks on. I want to see you go up this part. Go.
Michael, you ready for another bite? Here, come over here. Have another bite, buddy.
Yeah, you go. Just climb up the middle part.
No, you're not supposed to have your shoes on there, buddy. Here.
Michael.
One more good bite. Okay, go on up. Okay, hurry, Anna's going up. Michael, follow Anna.
There she goes, Michael. Go get her. Hey, Michael, look at me. I'm making a movie. What do you say, buddy? Luke, what are you doing? You gotta climb up to the top. You come over here with Michael. He's doing it. Look. You go in that little tunnel there, and then you climb up. See? No, go all the way up, and then you go through the tunnel.
What tunnel?
There's a tunnel up there.
If you go all the way to the top.